What do you need to do to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in your shop? We're going to find out next. OSHA recently released additional guidance on mitigating and preventing the spread of COVID-19 in the workplace. Here are 8 things to consider. Number 1, assigning a workplace coordinator. Appoint a person to be responsible for COVID-19 issues specific to your shop. Number 2, identifying where and how workers might be exposed to COVID-19 at work. As part of this assessment, identify potential workplace hazards related to the virus. Number 3, identifying measures to limit the spread of COVID-19 in the workplace. These measures include physical distancing, masks, good hygiene, and routine cleaning and disinfection. Number 4, strategizing protections for high-risk workers. When possible, consider additional protections and reasonable modifications for workers who are in these higher risk categories. Number 5, establishing a communication system to keep all workers informed. This includes not only telling employees, but also making sure that all workers understand these communications and that they're in a language they can understand. Number 6, educate and train workers on your shop's COVID-19 policies and procedures. Examples include a combination of workplace posters and signage, email or paper communication, and verbal communication. Number 7, telling infected or potentially infected workers to stay home and isolate or quarantine to prevent or reduce the risk of bringing a virus to your shop. Number 8, minimizing the negative impact of quarantine or isolation on workers. One OSHA suggestion would be to have an isolated employee work in an area away from others. Another suggestion is to allow workers to use paid sick leave. As with most workplace health and safety programs, it's not one big directive, but rather the combination of several elements that make for the most successful initiatives. This content was based on an article that SP2 wrote for BodyShop Business. For more training guidance from SP2, visit sp2.org. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.